Hello, I'm Rei Matsumoto, the founder of RMA Architects, a design studio based in Itoshima City, Japan. Itoshima is a region where lush nature, mountains, and sea coexist in close proximity. For more than 4 years, we have been designing and renovating different spaces. Our main concept is to intertwine nature with human through design. Today, I'm going to tell you about a very special project. Near the stunning coastline, this tiny house is immersed in the magical Itoshima forest. We called it the Whispering Cabin. For this project, we drew inspiration from an ancient Japanese technique called ishibadate and combined with it more modern techniques. We create an organic foundation layer beneath a standard concrete base. Around the perimeter, we dug bare trenches and drove in charcoal surface wooden stakes at roughly 1 meter intervals. We then laid crushed stone about 30 to 50 centimeters into the trenches and packed them with bamboo charcoal, rice straw, and biochar. These allowed air and water to circulate beneath the foundation, creating space where a fungal network could form. This organic space, rich in mycelium and moisture, naturally attract the roots of surrounding trees. As these roots grow into the area, they help stabilize the soil and allow rainwater to seep naturally into the subsoil. This not only reduces the risk of landslides, but also helps prevent surface pollutants from being directly carried into rivers and the ocean. We also intentionally omitted rain gutters. Instead, rainwater falls freely from the roof onto the soil. This is how we maintain the connection that exists between the mountain and the ocean. Here in Itoshima, there is a community called Dochujin, people of the soil, who work together to build ecologically thoughtful landscapes. We support each other with land restoration, rainwater infiltration, and regular study groups. For this project, many members of our community came to help, passing stone hands to hands, driving them into place. Engaging in soil-related work together with those who share common values can make the process deeply fulfilling. Community-driven models for environmental coexistence are likely to play a significant role in addressing future society needs. During the construction work, not a single tree was cut down in this project. Also, we avoided using heavy machinery and instead lifted the structure beam manually, something only made possible by the incredible skill and dedication of our carpenters. For the exterior, we used locally sourced cedar planks, leaving the natural edges intact. The client installed them by hand. The gently undulating horizontal lines echo the surrounding landscape. This method has two major benefits. It reduced timber waste, and it's allowed a more organic rhythm, perfect for hand-built, self-directed construction. Our client came to this forest seeking a minimum lifestyle in harmony with nature. We envisioned the main room of this tiny house as a womb-like space, softly arched, protective, yet open to the natural world. A large window was placed to capture the sunset on the summer solstice. and the wooden deck extends from the living room into the forest. In this space, you can contemplate the whisper of nature. The sound of the wind flowing through the trees, birds singing, insect melodies, the sunlight creating poetry among the plants, and of course the ocean waves in the background. The whispering cabin reminds you you are part of nature too. Nature and people, buildings and land, mountains and sea. This project is a small attempt to reconnect them, to explore how we might coexist once again. It might be a modest structure, but I hope it stands as one quiet example of what's possible.